Oh wait, I'm not even in there. Is it? Okay, I found it.
All right, it's foci of 0, 4, and 4, 0.
So that would mean that my center is between them, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my center is 2, 0, which is what?
Yes, you're supposed to start the class kick if you don't have questions on homework. 4, 0. Those are the foci, right? So what'd you say? Center, 0, 0. I mean, 2, 0. Yep. What else do you know about it now?
I know that my A is 8.
Okay, so this is 2a, so a is 8. Yep.
And I know that I now have my C and my A, so I could do
What's
A
c?
squared minus C is 2.
Good.
So A squared minus C squared equals B squared.
C squared equals a squared minus b squared. What did you say? A squared equals c
A
squared.
squared minus C squared equals B squared.
A squared.
I just flipped the B and the C.
Yeah, but then that's a negative b squared. You can't do that. You could do,
That would give me a positive.
oh, a squared minus c squared equals b squared. Yes, that's what you said? Yeah, that works. Okay.
So then that would give me 64 minus 4, which is 60.
Yep, equals b squared.
60.
And that's all you need, right? You don't need to graph it, so you just need it. Yeah. So a squared, 64. C squared, well, we don't need c squared. Never mind. Okay, but what direction is it face?
Oh, it's horizontal.
Horizontal. So the x gets the a, right?
Did I give the X the A? I did indeed not give the X the A.
Okay, so your denominators were 64 and 60, but you had switched them.
Oh, I also gave the denominator. That's literally what I did. But no, but I wrote 116.
I don't know why you would do that.
Or I wrote 104. Yeah. Yeah, but
So it's x, first of all, it'll be x minus 2, right? Because there's an h. Over a squared is 64 plus y minus 0, so it doesn't matter. Y squared over 60 equals 1.
Yeah, I have no idea why I wrote it over 100. It is like a 4. I think I wrote the 4, and I was like, oh yeah, 4, okay. 'cause I forgot to put the
16 and
6.
64.
And then I don't know where I got the 100 from, because I got a 10 somewhere.
You sound like a mad scientist when you talk sometimes, you know that? Like, I don't know what I did, but I did this and that and that. Like, where does your brain go? When you are focused on homework, are you focused or are you doing like 17 things?
Well, I try to focus on homework, but when I look, I have a problem with, like, it happens when I copy notes too. I have a problem with, like, looking and coming back. So
Okay.
I start to look at, like, all the different things around it. So that's what happens. I think I was copying another problem while I was looking at
I
that
got you.
problem. So I was copying 3 different problems.
Separate out your homework, like separate it out in boxes or something.
I do. I try to zoom in on the problem, and even then I still.
You just see Audrey looking around like, oh.
I know. Maybe like cut the picture of one problem, put it in a box. Cut the picture of the other problem, put it in the box. Like maybe separate it out like that. Yes, because it's been 3 days.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay. 0, 18. Oops, a daisy is a point. Negative 8, 0. Okay. Yeah. If those are points, then this could be my, like, first of all, this is taller, right, than it is wide. So this is a vertical. That's the first thing you know. Right? That's all, this is all I gave you. Okay, this was Madeline's. What? Oh, good.
Oh, I have a question that I don't remember it being on the homework, but
Okay, wait, let me do. Okay. It's like hers? Is that what you said?
No, except for after.
Oh, okay. I have one more. I have Sophia's.
Okay, yeah.
Go to the notes. I have it in the notes.
Okay, so Madeline, this is my foci, right? So this is foci, which means that the vertex is, or the center is halfway between. So halfway between 0 and 10 is 5. 0, 5 would be my center. The focus is on the vertical, which means this is also a vertical one. So the y gets the a. I know from here that C is from 5 to 10 or 0 to 5, which is 5. And the major axis is 2a, so a is 7. So C squared equals a squared minus b squared. 5 squared equals 7 squared minus b squared, 25, 49. Negative 24 equals negative b squared, so b squared equals 24. So then my center x minus the h, which is 0, squared, would go over the b squared, which is 24, plus y minus the k, which was 5, squared, over a squared. A is 7, so this is 49. And then this just needs to be x squared, sorry.
When the homework we're doing this.
Wait, hang on a second. You good, Madeline?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, sorry.
When we was doing this step by step, how come it told us to do the a squared minus the c squared?
It's just moved the equation around.
For no reason, just like that, so we
Just,
didn't have to do that.
so that's if you're solving for b. That's all. Yeah, it just shifted it around so you're solving for b. Okay, Sophia, did this one also say